And I'm live. Just like that. How's that? Looking flash. Flash in the pan. Let's bring up my chat. No, go away. Clear my throat off mic. Okay, later. Go away, iOS. I don't want to update. I just want to go to my bloomin' Twitch chat. Is life really that hard? Yes. Everybody watching? Probably not. Oh, look how good I look. Look, I cut my arms off though, because my green screen's not wide enough to fit. So here I am with no widescreen. Welcome to the stream. My name is Rusty Rog, and normally I play games, and today I'm not, because I thought I'm going to do something different, and I'm going to do my very first live unboxing within this confined window that we have here. While you're here, look up above. If you're on my page, hit the little heart, give me a follow, would be great. We're going to play some games hopefully tonight too, bonus streaming. Otherwise it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I definitely stream 10:30 till late, and also links to YouTube and the like as well, so you can catch videos like this or any other videos I do later on the YouTube. So anyway, I got a package today. So if you watch my earlier streams, you'll know that I had a nice pair of white headphones. They're over here. Whoa. And they just fell apart. No fault of the headphones that they fell apart. I actually pulled them apart because these are the Bluedio. I've got these on so I can hear what's going on. These are the Bluedio T3, and they're really good. I really like them. They're really cool Bluetooth headphones. I thought they sounded amazing. They got they're this cool feature called 3D sound, which open up the scape and everything. I'm just going to take these off. Pop them down there. And the volume down so they don't disturb. And leave them turned on for now. So these were really good, nice and comfy. Really nice little headphones. Sounded good. Really good sound actually for the price. They were really cheap, but they I was using them a little while ago and they died, so that's why I've been back to using my good old Turtle Beach, which designed for my PlayStation, which they work great. They're good for the surround and stuff, but not the greatest. So that's come off. So Bluedio told me though the reason these died on me, and they just straight up died, they just stopped working. They will not, I can hold down the power button, they just simply won't turn on. Oh, sorry, that probably was a bad mistake. Anyway, they told me it's a battery problem. So I managed to pry off the end, and it's got a little battery here in the end, which I may try to order one off eBay and see if it fixes it. But in the meantime, I said, well, it's not very good. 6 month warranty too. So a bit surprised that the warranty's so low on these. Bluedio needs up the game on that. They make some good sounding headphones, but they need up the game. Their warranty, 6 month warranty is not long enough. But right after 6 months, these died like clockwork. Made me a little bit annoyed. Bluetooth's working really well on sorry, I keep looking down at the screen. Looking, looking really good at the moment on I said looking again, working well on Windows. The lag issue they've had in the past seems to have gone away with updates, and so I like using my Bluetooth. I like wireless. I want to be, and Bluetooth is great. The RF with those Turtle Beach work great. But they just don't have the depth of sound that I'm looking for. So anyway, I asked for some spares. I got this in this packet, which I can't get open. Hang on a minute. No, I'm not taking a dump. I'll give this up. Really well packaged. The EDIFIER W830BT, which right now, and normally they're 140 bucks or so in New Zealand on AliExpress. Right now, and this is not sponsored at all, although these were said to be as replacements. These, oh look, you can see me reflected in my TV, my TV, what am I saying, my monitor. Look, there's my nice Dell monitor. Look out for a review on that shortly too. These were sent. So yeah, not sponsored. These are just my headphones, but these are normally about 140 bucks on or more. And they are on special at the moment for about 80 something bucks, but that's like right now, like you want to jump on that special. If you're watching this, jump on that special. Taking off the plastic, so I thought I'd just do a little unboxing here. So this is the box. It's got a little hang cell on the top. It's got the nice, hold this up, picture on the front there with the little whatever stuff. On the back shows you all the specs and garbage. Words, in other words, sides don't really have much. It does have APTX, I want to say ABTX, so you know, if your device is compatible with that, then good. I think Windows is compatible with that. So it looks like they slide out this way. Let's see. So really well packaged. There's a bit of crinkling on the bottom here, on the top, so not perfect. Sorry, it's a bit weird doing this on a webcam. Slide it out. It says EDIFIER on the box. So you can see my mask here. Look, ooh. Yeah, I need to sort out my green screen so it actually works properly. So this is slide out box, but then this doesn't lift out. It tips out. I'm trying not to hit my microphone. You hear me all right, by the way? Yeah, cool. That is the lid down there, and in the box, look at that. That's a nice little package. Look, there's foam, and then this case. We'll get to this in a minute. That's the good stuff. What else we got here? Fantastic, honestly fantastic packaging. If anything happened to this in transit, I'd be much surprised. It is it looks like an instruction book, which is a bit fidgety because it's obviously reflecting green light and going weird on my screen. This isn't the best way to do an unboxing. I like this. I like using the background on that, but my green screen work leaves much to be desired. So what have we got here? 40mm drivers, 9° swivel, Bluetooth 4.1. It comes with a case, 3.5 audio jack, USB charging cable. Let's see, pairing, charging. Let's see, blue flashes. So I haven't charged these or anything. I don't know if they're going to come with much of a charge. I may have to charge them before we get to try them out. So unzip. And inside the case is the headphones themselves, and a little package here which is clearly all the wires. So let's have a look at those first. So this is plastic too, not cardboard. So you've got your two wires here. This one is a mini USB. I thought it might be USB-C, but no, it's mini USB charging cable. Branded, it says EDIFIER on the branding there. And we have oh, this is nice. So this is your 3.5 cable for just using it as a normal pair of wired headphones. But it's nice to see that they've got the little 90-degree thing there, which is quite good for some phones. That works really well. Or screens at the moment, because my screen's got a cord hanging down. If I use this, I can just run it across and you wouldn't even notice that there's a cord going through there. Nice soft rubber, feels like it would be nice and isolated. Right, headphones themselves. So this is molded. Look at this. It's actually, as you can see there, molded to hold. So it's not only do you get this really nice hard case, but it's molded to fit the headphones. Unbelievable. They do swivel completely, so around the neck. Click, 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 as you can see. I could wear this still. To be honest, like I've just stretched that right out, and I would never wear it stretched all the way out because it'd be a bit weird. But even like that, there's a bit, and maybe they'll come right with a bit of use. So pretty strong. They stretch out quite well without breaking. But it's still a bit pinchy in the middle there, so they don't quite sit like that. They say, come and get you. Anyway, the headphones. Let's see. as I said, that's quite tactile, but that's a bit loose, so we'll see how that plays out. These very nice soft air cups. Let's see how they feel. Just which way is which way is round is which. Alright, there is a little R, if you can, little R up here, sort of see that, sort of. So that clear the air. Oh, they're very light. They're actually lighter than than my Turtle Beach. Surprisingly, much lighter, which is a bit strange. They're supposed to have pretty decent battery life. I can't remember what it was right now. Let's see if it says so in the manual here. Operating time 95 hours. Charge time 4 hours. That's a heck of a long time. I don't believe that for a second. That is a really long time. In comparison, the Blue Dio were 40 hours use, which was pretty solid, pretty accurate. But these are light, and normally if you got that big a battery in it, you'd expect it to be, you know, much lighter. So I expect these to have a reasonable sound stage. It's actually, you can't see on the webcam, definitely you can't. Oh, there you go. So there's a little notch just in the top, just over, just here, on the top of the headphone. Let air through, so that they're closed, but they're not entirely closed. They can breathe. Underneath, you've got your 3.5 on this side and your DC in, so that's your charge port there. There we go. There's a USB charge port covered up there. Nice that it's covered. On the other side, you've got, so these are headsets. There is a microphone array there, and your on-off and volumes on this side. So let's just see if we compare this to my phone. So if I just unplug my iPhone, I'm just going to go into my settings. How's like my Turtle Beach trying to shut down. And I'm all over the place with my, look, every time I look up and down it's messing up. My camera's trying to adjust everything on the fly a bit too much. Let's see here, Bluetooth is on. Go to Bluetooth, let's turn these on, see if there's any power. Holding down the button. And I'm not getting any lights coming on or anything. So it looks like these are going to need a jolly good charge before they can be used. So that's a shame. I would like to give you a quick on the fly, but I'll let you know. I'll be charging these up and using them very regularly, probably even starting tonight. So, but at the moment, build quality, amazing. Really nice and soft here. There's a bit of padding here. It's not a lot. There's not a huge amount of adjustment. Straight out of the box, perfect fit without adjusting the sides, but they can adjust, and it is, see, a bit of, it's quite at the top though. They don't adjust down here, it's up there, so it's a bit different, but that's actually alloy when you open that up. Branding on the top. But they look nice. They feel really good. I look forward to charging these up and giving them a whirl. But okay, they definitely move around. They don't, there's not a huge amount of clamping force, but nice and light. It makes them comfortable. I think they look good. I think they feel quite good. So that's the unboxing. Now I just need to where is that way? Left, right, left, right. So this is the left. They turn this way, not that way. But this side says left and this says right. So how does that work? I've got to take them off, turn them the wrong way around, and then put them over my neck? Or are they labelled incorrectly? Because these are the, you know, there's your charger here, that's now on the right and not on the left. So I'm going to have a look at that, because either their lefts and rights are the wrong way, or the only way to wear these around your neck is to go this way, which seems very odd. Very, very odd. Normally you'd go the other way with the cups, but not perfect, but very good build quality, very good price right now, and we will let you know. Tune into my stream later on down the line, tonight or whatever, and or if you're watching this on YouTube. So if you're watching this on Twitch, then please, which side will it be? This side or this side? This side? This side. The little heart, follow, give me a follow. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then like, subscribe, and also follow the link, which is up there somewhere, I believe, on my, or down, or depends where you're watching this. If you go to the actual page rather than the video, there will be links to the YouTube, and you can, what am I saying, Twitch, and you can jump to the Twitch. Give me a follow on Twitch as well. It would be great, because it would make my day. I'd really appreciate that. Otherwise, make sure you keep an eye out on at Rusty Rog on Twitter. Then you'll see tweets and things when I post that I'm going to go live for any bonus streams. Otherwise, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'll let you know how these things sound. Now I bumped the mic again. If you enjoyed this sort of very, very brief unboxing stream, let me know. I'd be interested to see what you think and what you know. And yeah, that about wraps it up, really. One last thing, credits. The credits is the music that you're listening to is Rock Angel by Joachim Cardu, royalty-free music on YouTube. If you look up YouTube, you can probably find that. I will put, obviously, on the YouTube video of this will be a link, so if you go to my YouTube page, you'll find a link to the music if you're interested in it down in the comments. So thanks very much for watching, and yeah, my impressions once I've charged and I can actually try them, I'll give you guys some full impressions and let you know what I think of the audio of the BT, where's the box gone? Here we go, the W830BT by EDIFIER, bought off AliExpress. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next, well, I guess it'll be the next game, or the next review, or the next unboxing. Depends what comes first, but it'll be game. See you later.